Okay, everybody, so wasn't able to finish last night, ran out of mulch too, so hence 30 bags in the back of my truck. It was about 80 bucks. They're like $3 a bag. Decided not to go with the bigger pine chips. I tried a bag here, and this is what I want to say, like, try things, you know. That bag's like $4. Try it. If you don't like it, it takes 2 minutes to clean it up. Who cares if a couple scraps are in there? And then try the ones that you like. We just like these because it's a little smaller and you're able to walk on it, and the kids play out here a lot and stuff. So hence buying 30 bags to try and fill. And honestly, I bought 30 because that's the max I could fit in the Tundra. So anyway, so this is what it's gonna look like. We've got all our weed protection down. We're gonna do the pine, or the what's it called? Pine bark nuggets, the small ones, all around. And I'm still working on, my wife hasn't decided which types of stones she wants around here, and we might even do stones around here. Haven't worked on that yet. Obviously it's a little bit more expensive. If you want to save money, you can just get those black dividers that keep your beds separate, so when you're cutting the grass you can just go along here. Anyway, I hope this helps. I'm going to take a video after all the mulch is down, and you'll get to see what 30 bags of pine bark nuggets looks like. So hopefully it looks fluid like this just about everywhere. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, hit thumbs up if you like these. So hopefully it saves you some time and money, and hopefully your yard looks great. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.